Okay, so this is page 9 in your new Chapter 8 packet, and this is the do now. I'd like you to complete this, stop the video, complete it, and when you're done, play the video, and we will go over it together. Okay, so you do it now on your own, and turn me back on when you're done. So, the directions are to simplify. Simplify means there's no parentheses and there's no base that repeats. So let's look at number 1. Number 1, we would make 3 to the 4th y to the 12th times y to the 5th. 3 to the 4th is 81, and here you have the same base, so we add the exponents, and it's y to the 17th. Okay, number 2, you have a negative inside the parentheses raised to an even power. That means the final result will be positive. So 8 squared is 64, x squared, y squared. Contrast that to number 3, where the negative is on the outside. So that means do the opposite. So it would be negative 64, x squared, y squared. Okay, now for number 4, these have the same base. R is your base. This is r to the 1st, that's r to the 5th. This negative is the coefficient. -1, this is a positive 1. So numbers multiply numbers. So -1 times 1 is -1. And when you multiply with the same base, you add the exponents. So that can be written just as -r to the 6th. Okay, for the next one, again, this is the same base. Technically, that's a 1. So 3 times 1 is 3. And it would be a to the 14th. Now for this next one, numbers multiply numbers. So 8 times 3/8 is 3, times -3 is -9. Y cubed, y squared, y to the 4th is y to the 9th. And x squared x is x cubed. So I probably should have written it -9 x cubed, y to the 9th, but they're both correct. Okay, this is just multiplying this term after I distribute. So it's going to be -3 times a squared x to the 6th y squared. And okay, so for number 8, again, it's a negative raised to an even power. So the final answer is going to be positive. 2 to the 4th is 16, x to the 8th, y to the 8th. Number 9, this term's going to be negative. This term's going to be positive, which means the final sign is going to be negative. 2 cubed is 8. 2 to the 4th is 16. 8 times 16 is 128. So this is -128. This becomes a to the 6th, b to the 6th. And this becomes b to the 4th. So that's a to the 6th, b to the 10th. For number 10, all I want you to know is that x plus y squared is not x squared plus y squared. There is no such thing as the power of a sum. It's the power of a product. And for this last one, we have like terms. X to the 5th is a like term. So with like terms, when you're adding, you just add the coefficients. So this is 11x to the 5th. Okay, so that's the end of this video, and then you will watch the next one.